Yes. Yes. Yes, in a royal manner. Definitely. Somebody will say, now ஒரு 100 ரூபாய் தரேன். Can you give this to me? I want to play with this. Will you give this to them? They will offer you maybe lakhs of rupees. Will you give this to them? Can I get the answer? Never. Yes, 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 yes. Can I get the answer? Because this is your emotion. This is you. Can I ask you one question? Who's the hero in your life? Each individual, can you answer me? Who's the hero in your life? Dad, my mom, wonderful. Father, yes, yes, yes. Brother, yes, yes. Dad, yes, yes, yes. Thank you for the answer. What I will also add to that, along with you are that hero, don't you think you are also the hero of your life? Yes, you are your own hero, no? If you don't love yourself, if you don't respect yourself, if you don't give that value to your own self, do you think others are bothered? Others are bothered. Today, some people did not have their breakfast. Who will be bothered? First is mother, because mom would have made something, she'll be worried. Correct? After that, who is bothered? Maybe I was bothered because now I'm your coach. I also was bothered. Third, who was bothered? Yeah. Who was bothered? Yeah, Lakshmi. Nobody else. Did you bother? That is called as self-care, self-love. Because if you don't love yourself, who will love? Today, after you are at home, you came to college, or you are sitting somewhere outside, or whatever. Will your mom be with you for 24/7? Can I get the answer, please? Can mom and dad be with you 24/7, taking care of your needs? Can I get the answers, please? No, no, no. So what you should do? You should drink water, you should eat well, you should sleep well, you should listen to good music. Meditation பண்றீங்களா? Meditation பண்ணுங்க. Pamper yourself. Take a break. Study, put a timetable. Right? There are so many things. Oil your hair. Amma சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, you guys, yeah, you don't put the oil to your head. Many times you run away. But one fine day you will have severe headache. That day, you will only go to your mother and say, Ma, put some oil for me. Do you understand that? So don't go to the stage where you want to get a headache. Prevention is always better than cure, right? Do you agree? Do you agree on that? Can I get some answers, please? Nice, na? You're feeling happy? Guys, you're happy making your dream and your boat and your life? Yes? Yeah? Right. So now, I think I will sum it up in a very quick 5 minutes, and then I want the question answers to just come up because I want to talk to you guys. And I think that brainstorming session is what I'm looking for, because all these gyan, everything is good. But when I talk to you, that's where the real fun begins, right? Right? Okay. Few things what I want to quickly update is take care of your health. It is physical, mental, spiritual, psychological, all health. Health means overall. Spend time with animals, plants. Okay. You're just not alone in this universe, right? You have other things also. Create that harmony with them. Go outside. Now, I think Corona, because of Corona, go carefully. Wear double mask, take all sanitizer, take precaution, avoid if it is not required, unwanted traveling, avoid it. It is for your own safety, because self-care, you will only be, finally you will only suffer na if you don't take care. Do you agree? Do you agree on that? First you will suffer, then immediate your family will suffer. Correct? Yes. Start practicing gratitude. Be thankful for every single opportunity. Today you have food in your plate. Thank you, God. Today you have a good college where you are getting good quality education. Thank you, God. Yes? Yes? Write your dreams. Start writing about it and keep adding to it. How will I achieve my dream? You don't have to put a barrier. Can I do it? Can I do it? No. Write your dreams and start thinking how I can do it. If you're stuck, you know whom to call or you know whom to text. Right now, you know, ma'am, I'm stuck here in life, ma'am. I'm depressed. It's too much of anxiety, ma'am. I cannot overcome that. I am here, right? I'm here as your coach. Back support we have. Management is there. Your teachers are there. Be genuinely open. I am having difficulty. I am feeling bad. I am feeling weak. So take help of the correct people, right? Can I get the yes or no on that, please? Do you agree on that? You will take help. You will reach out to me. Yes? Yes? One small line text. Ma'am, I'm stuck here. Right? Okay. What else can you do other than academics? The basic reason of you joining this BBA is to learn how to manage your business administration. Can I get a say on this, please? BBA? Why you joined BBA? Tomorrow there will be thousands of people whom you will be giving employment. So at that point of time, they are looking upon you, right? Because you are their employer. So how will you be? Initial life, you will work with some people and gain experience and everything. And maybe if your dream is to be an entrepreneur, how will you be? You will be their role model, na? They will see you inspire, get inspired. Can I get a yes? Yes. You will be an inspiration for so many others there, right? Yes. Nowadays, world is very fast. Internet is booming like anything. Some people say, I am very young to learn. No, there is no age to, there's no age where you can say, I don't know. I don't know. Only thing is you have to try. The moment you start trying, every support will come to you. Do you agree on that? By the time you're finishing your 3-year academic, if your plan is for your masters, don't you think you will get into that? Because you have a clarity of your thought. Yeah. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் இல்லையா எங்க ரீச் ஆகணும் எப்படி போகணும்னு. So you will take the bus which will take you there, right? Clear on that? Are you guys clear on that? Right? And in case you get stuck, suppose you miss the bus, what you will do? You will take the next bus. Am I correct? Or will you sit and cry? Yes, I think I'm done for today for the mental health part. Now quickly, I want you guys to ask me the questions which I'm waiting for. So I want to interact with you guys. I'm sure have a wonderful life, have a balanced life. Friends veno, music veno, ellame veno. Eating time la you have to eat. Eat when you have to eat. Don't skip. Play when you have to play. Study thoroughly when you have to study. And no excuses on that. Because as I said, that is your foundation. This is your boat. Sariya, how you take this all over the world it is in your hands. Correct? I'm sure I have done my part. And thank you guys. You guys were so nicely you were coordinating with me. Thank you for that. And look forward for a very rocking academic years to come. Stay focused. Have a big dream. Not one dream. Have many dreams. right? Inspire people. You have to inspire others, right? Number mari number oru piece da, correct? We say, no, I am only one piece. So be the best version of yourself. Learn languages, learn communication, learn English. I'm not a Tamil person, but I learned Tamil eventually. I practiced. I learned, because when I'm talking to you in Tamil, how good do you feel? You feel good, right? Yes or no? Can I get this thing on that? On my Tamil, correct na? You feel good, right? When people are connecting with you in your regional language, you feel very comfortable. That's the trick. Okay? Have a wonderful time. Interact with me, be with me. I'm there always for you, for all your, whatever sir said, na? You are my children. We will rock. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am,
Thank
for
you.
your interactive presentation. Students are requested to put the feedback of the session. So it will make ma'am happy as well as department also. So kindly share your feedback on this session.
Thank you. Yes.
The learning point from this session, kindly share the learning.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, how you learn this many languages? Happy irunga. You want, you know the happiness of speaking to a Japanese person in Japanese? Do you know how happy he will be? Shocked, right? That happiness is really good. Yes. Thank you. Stress free. Thank you, Priya. Thank you. Stay connected. Stay connected. Always be a support to each other, right? Be a support to each other. Your friend is suffering. Tell him. You say no in Tamil, Macha, I am with you, Macha. Be there with them. And if still that problem is not solving, please bring it to the notice of elders. Don't keep it within yourself, right? Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful. 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 Staying here. It's not only for today. Mental is not only for today. It's for throughout your lifetime. Our association is for throughout lifetime. I hope you understand that. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm on Instagram, Shalini Balan Coach. You guys can contact me, make a network. Yes. I even help individuals achieve realistic goals. Yeah. Yeah, please see this thing. Mobile number is there. WhatsApp is on that number. Do you see background my books? Do you see those books? Guys, read lot of books. It's very good. Your communication improves. You feel good. Yeah, Sahana. Yes, it is good. Don't make it as an addiction. Rather, always use positive term with that. Reading is a good habit, not an addiction. Yes. Yes. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. My number is available. Let's make one network. See here, we are as a family now, right? We are 76 of us. If my family I don't support, who else will support? Correct, na? Here, a lot of people will have many talents. Some may be good in singing, dancing, music composing, drawing, dance, many things. Innovation, ideas, entrepreneur. So, this is our first network, what we have built today, right? Going way forward, our own community we will have. Don't you agree? Right? we buy things from some other parties, right? Third party. Who knows, in our own circle, we may have a father who's having some organic jaggery, pattu irukkalam. You may have lot of things who's in our own network. When you are in BBA, you should also know how to be business minded. Hardcore business, it is in our blood. Don't you agree, guys? Don't you agree business is in our blood? Correct, right? Can I get a yes on that or no on that? Start building your network. Correct? Yeah, Hari. Yeah. Yeah. Correct, no? இங்கேயே ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு நெட்வொர்க் இருக்கு. Don't you agree? And who knows, tomorrow when we are in complete business, we all together we can come up. Right? Why not promote ourselves as a family now? Why not promote our own things? Yeah. Tomorrow we may need a investor. Okay. You see, I'm not saying about small investment. Maybe huge investment. You're a business guy, right? From where will you get your investment? We need to get to guys who are in our first circle because they trust us. We trust them. Don't you? Yeah. So make a network point. Stay connected to me. Somebody, maybe 2-3 people take initiative and make a WhatsApp group. You be admin in that. Let us have a brainstorming session. And don't think what, even if it is on personal issues, I tell you, connect to me one-on-one. I will help you out. It could be anything related to your physical, emotional, sexual life, or you're stuck with some bad company. Ma'am, எனக்கு இது அடிக்ஷன் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கு மேம், இதுல இருந்து வெளியே வர முடியல, எனக்கு ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்லெஸ்ஸா இருக்கு மேம். I'm an advocate also, so I will help you in a very legal way also. My suggestion and things will be, it will be precise, so you don't have to worry. Only thing is, you should not suffer in that, keep suffering in that. You have to take help. Yeah. Okay. Any personal, individual based questions, I'm always reachable on my WhatsApp anytime. Leave a message. Ma'am, I'm from KPRCS. My name is so-and-so. Ma'am, I have this issue, because I'll be in too many appointments. But definitely I will reply to the text. Whatever time it is, I will see, I will reply. If it is a individual personal issue, only request is, do not suffer. Okay, take help and focus on your academics, because this is your time. The next 3 years, what you are investing will take your boat to all over the places. Remember always, this is your treasure. This is your treasure. Okay. Yeah. Any individual questions, don't hesitate. Yeah, you are all my kids, right? Yeah.
Thank you so much for your fantastic speech. It was very energetic and it is positive.
Thank
I
you.
think our student has also got the vibes. Thank you so much. Your smile is
Thank you.
very beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Always KPR CAS welcomes you. You just come directly to KPR CAS when all the situation is over. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
sure,
you so
sure.
much.
Thank you.
Students, if you want to ask anything with ma'am, you can ask. I'll give 5 minutes. You just unmute yourself and you can ask, or you put the questions in chat box. I'll give you 5 minutes
Yes.
time because we are running short of time. So if you want to ask anything, you just put it in the chat box. Okay. I think so, ma'am. They're very satisfied with your speech.
Okay, now it is the beginning of your academics. I understand lot of questions, lot of curiosity. I also have passed your age. I also know what all you're going through. But believe me, trust me, there's a beautiful world out there waiting for us, right? Whether it is business, whether it is family, whether it is chasing your dream, everything is possible, right? Now it is a beginning because you may not know each other. I understand. But what I request is stay connected. Maybe once your academic everything is started, let's have a group up. Let's have a support system. Individually also, I'm available not only for you, but for whoever is suffering from psychological issues, fear, depression, anxiety, no sleep, suicidal tendency. You got it. Suicidal tendency is something very vast. You know somebody suffering, tell them, ma'am is there. Once you can speak and see. If we can help him bring back to life, nothing like it, right? You'll feel very happy about it. I
Thank you so
hope,
much.
yeah, I hope you all are happy now, focused. Yeah. Stay connected.
Okay, ma'am.
Take
Okay,
care.
ma'am.
Take care of
Thank you so
yourself.
much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you.
Uh,
Thank you.
Ma'am, actually, we have not started the official group. The students doesn't know each other. After that, we'll be
Yes,
stay
yes.
connected with.
Yes, I know. That is why I also mentioned it is a beginning now, but you have to take care of yourself on a every moment basis. That's all. Rest of the other things, you know, we are here, right? You know, back end, we are there to support you. Be a network. Unity is strength. Always stay together, enjoy together, be one another's support. Update me. Even I'll feel better. I will feel better. I will feel really happy when I see kids achieving. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, we'll wind up the session with the official vote of thanks.
Yes.
Gratitude is a memory of mine. It gives me an honor and privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I would like to thank our star of today, resource person, Miss Shalini Balan, for her energetic, positive, and what not to tell. She was so kind, she was so cool, and she has given all the input. You have imparted our students with spirituality. I think from today onwards, there will be a change in their mental mind. Thank you so much for that, ma'am. So you are
Yeah,
always
thank
welcome to KPR CAS. When all the situation is getting over, please visit us in person. We are waiting for that and we are eager also. Thank you so much, ma'am, for spending your valuable time with us besides your busy schedule. On behalf of
Thank
School
you.
of Management, I thank you so much for coming on the board. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then I would like to thank our management principal, sir, for creating such a platform to interact with ma'am. I just thank our dean, sir, who has introduced a beautiful guest to us. So thank you so much for that, sir. And I thank all the associate professors and professors of the department who have helped us to successfully complete this program. Thank you all. And I would thank the technical people who have supported us in technical issues and platform. Thank you all. And I thank my students who are very, very energetic and they have interacted, though we didn't see them, but they are interacting through chat box. Thank you for that. Thank you for your live participation. And once again, I thank you all. Thank you so much for joining with us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, students. Shine, shine like a rock star. Make me proud. Make yourself proud. Make your parents proud. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Smile for us once.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The request from student side. So kindly stay back. Rajeshwari ma'am will take attendance. Rajeshwari ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm here.
You
Thanks,
just
ma'am. Thanks,
Ma'am, Shalini
Rajeshwari, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Rajeshwari Rajeshwari ma'am, kindly take care of the students.
Yeah,
And us.
yeah. All the best for
Rajeshwari
your
ma'am,
dream.
yeah, your voice
And
is too
if time
breaking.
permits, I'll meet you in Bangalore also.
Thank you. You're
Yeah,
most welcome.
sure,
Please,
ma'am.
please.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
School of Management thanks all the first year students for their energetic
Okay, I'll
participation.
take an attendance, ma'am.
Keep rocking. Thank you so much. We'll meet on Monday. Okay. Thank you so much. Ma'am will take care of the attendance. So kindly wait and tell your attendance and leave. You can leave. Rajeshwari ma'am.
I'm here. I'll take over this.
Okay,
I'll
okay,
take
ma'am.
over.
I'll shall
Okay,
leave,
ma'am.
ma'am. You just take care of them.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am.
Yeah, I can leave.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank
Do you
you.
want me to stay? Yeah.
No,
Thank
no,
you,
no, no, no,
guys.
no.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
ma'am. Okay. Bye, ma'am.
Have a
All the
great
best for
day.
your dream.
Yes. Also your dreams.
Yes.
Don't leave that. Treat it as your valuable. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye, 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 ma'am.
Yeah, bye.
Guys, we'll go for an attendance. Nagendra Prasad,
Ma'am, Nagendra Prasad present, ma'am.
Rakesh,
Present, ma'am.
Madhyarasu, Madhyarasu, Madhyarasu,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Srimati,
Present, ma'am.
Vijay Vignesh,
Present, ma'am.
Jay Surya,
Present, ma'am.
Sabarish R,
Present, ma'am.
Sabarish K, Sabarish K, Logu,
Present, ma'am.
Manihandan, 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 Kiran Kumar, Kiran Kumar, Kiran Kumar, Darshana, Darshana, Kiran Kumar, Kana Darshana, absent. Arunachalam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Praveen R. Praveen R.
Present, ma'am.
Praveen Kumar. Praveen Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Surya. Surya, yes. Bhagya Lakshmi.
Present,
Surya, yes. Bhagya Lakshmi. Lavanya.
ma'am.
Okay, Lavanya. Lavanya.
Present, ma'am.
Anandita.
Present, ma'am.
Anandita. Okay. Preeti. 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 Preeti from BBSEA. Sriram.
Present, ma'am.
Vishal.
Present, ma'am.
Niranjan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Madhav.
Present, ma'am.
Tirlok.
Present, ma'am.
Ashwant. Ashwant.
Present.
Okay. Janardhan. Janardhan.
Present, ma'am.
Deepak. Deepak. Praveen Yee. Praveen Yee.
Present, ma'am.
Sanjay. 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 Hindusa.
Present, ma'am.
Mahesh Kumar. Praveen P.
Mahesh Kumar, present, ma'am.
Yes,
Praveen
yes,
present, ma'am.
Praveen P present. Aditya. Subhash. Subhash.
Present, ma'am.
Nitin. Nitin. Nitin.
Yes, ma'am.
Kirtana.
Yes, ma'am.
Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Priyavarshani.
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi Prabha.
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav. 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 Surya, yes. Dhanalakshmi. Surya, yes. Dhanalakshmi. Gomati. 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 Sharun Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. See, kindly make sure that you want to keep your picture as a profile picture. Your photo should be there, and also keep your name as per the format. You just see the other students how they have kept like their name and Roman letter 1 BBA KPRK. So it should be in order. Whenever you are attending a program in Zoom or Google Meet, this is a format you want to maintain. And also, wait, Giri, I have not taken an BBA attendance. Wait for a minute, okay? So make sure your profile pic and ID should be in a same, right? And today's absentees in BBA CA, I'm just reading out the names. The absentees are Sabarish K, Sabarish K, Manihandan, Kiran Kumar.
Ma'am, Kiran Kumar, present, ma'am.
Present, okay. Okay. Darshana BBA CA. Darshana BBA CA. It's not there. Okay. Sanjay BBA CA. Sanjay. Abhinav. Surya yes Dhanalakshmi. Gomati. Okay, these are all the absentees of BBSEA. BBSEA, you can leave the program, and your program is going to continue on Monday. Nalaki, Saturday, Sunday, illapa. Monday morning, the again session will be there. So Sunday night, evening, link, I mean invitation will send you. Okay. So make sure that Monday morning by 9:45 you want to join to the program. And happy Vinayak Chaturthi. You can leave the session. Thank you for interaction. Always interact with the guest, and if possible you can unmute your mic and you can speak with them. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
BBA, bye. Okay. BBA, we'll go for an attendance. BBA.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, kindly mute your mic. This is a public forum. Kindly mute your mic. Madhyarasu, kindly mute your mic. Madhyarasu, Mahesh Kumar. Okay, fine. So Narmata, thank you guys. Narmata,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Manoj,
Present, ma'am.
Niveta, sorry, Mridula, sorry. Mridula, okay. Aditya,
Present, ma'am.
Raj Pataya,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Hari Prabha,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Amarda Varshini,
Present, ma'am.
Amritavarshini, kindly keep your photo as your profile picture. It's showing as an AV.
Okay.
So please kindly make changes in your, profile picture. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Hari Priyan,
Present, ma'am.
Darshani BBA. Darshani is not there. Okay. Sarvesh is there? Sarvesh is there?
Absent, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Shiva Prashant, absent. Vijay Aditya,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Kanagavir,
Present, ma'am.
Sobika, Subrabha,
Present, ma'am.
Kanimuli,
Present, ma'am.
Deepa Darshani, Reshmi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Haribalan, Aji, Natish,
Present, ma'am.
okay.
Present.
Akshara,
Present, ma'am.
Vishal,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Giridharan,
Present, ma'am.
Giri, kindly keep your photo as your profile picture, and you have given only a Giri. What's your name actually? Giridharan, right? So keep it as in Giridharan and initial, and change it as in first BBA KPR CAS. Okay, va Giri?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Giri? Okay. Change
Okay.
பண்ணுங்க. Immediate change பண்ணிருங்க Giri. Immediate change பண்ணுங்க. Amritavarshini also kindly change. Chirag, Naresh Kumar, absent. Okay, Ritanya,
Present, ma'am.
Sarmuti,
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Saundarya,
Present, ma'am.
Shahana,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Vigneshwaran,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
ஓகே விக்னேஸ்வரன் இருங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருங்க உங்களோட ப்ரொஃபைல் பிக்சர் வைங்கக்கண்ணா அதே மாதிரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட்னு போடாதீங்க ரோமன் லெட்டர் 1 போடுங்க விக்னேஸ்வரன் கே வந்து இனிஷியல் வந்து கேபிட்டல் லெட்டர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோமன் லெட்டர் 1 விக்னேஸ்வரன் புரியுதா மேல இருக்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோடது பாருங்க மேல இருக்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோடது பாருங்க விக்னேஸ்வரன்
Okay, ma'am.
ஓகே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுங்க இமிடியேட்டா பிரணவ் பிரபு
Present, ma'am.
okay ஸ்ரீருத்ரன்
Present, ma'am.
okay நிவேதா
Present, ma'am.
ரொனால்ட் ஆதித்ய சிங்
Present, ma'am.
okay கௌஷிக் முகமது அனாஸ்
Present, ma'am.
அருள்மணி மூவேந்தன்
Ma'am.
okay சபரிஷ்
Present, ma'am.
சங்கவி
Present, ma'am.
சத்யஸ்ரீ
Present, ma'am.
ஜெய் பாலாஜி யோகேஷ் அப்சன்
Present, ma'am.
கோபிநாதன்
Present, ma'am.
Gopinathan, you also kindly change your profile picture and you have given your name as an simply an Gopinathan, right? So kindly change it to Gopinathan
Yes, ma'am.
as like as a format.
Okay, ma'am.
And, okay. Chitesh. Absent Chitesh. Bravin Rajadurai.
Present, ma'am. Present,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Prasanna. Chirag.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm just going to read out the absentees of BBA. If your name is not mentioned here, kindly let me know. Okay. So the first absentee is Darshani. Second, Sarvesh, Siva Prashant, Anshobika, Haribalan, Aji, Naresh Kumar, and Ronald Wilson, Kaushik, Arulmani, Jai Balaji, Yogesh, Prasanna. So these are all guys are today marked as an absent. Anyone name I have left in this attendance? It's not there, right? Okay. So kindly Amritavarshini, Chirag, and Amritavarshini, Chirag, and Sabarish, yes, Satyasri K, Vigneshwaran, and those guys alone, please kindly stay back, and all other students can leave. We'll meet you on Monday. We'll send you the schedule and invitation by Sunday, within Sunday evening. Vigneshwaran also kindly stay back. Vigneshwaran, Satyasri, Sabarish, Chirag, Amrita. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Mahesh Kumar, you can leave.
Okay, ma'am.
Pranav, Prabhu, Saundarya, Vishal, you can leave the session. Pranav, Prabhu, Mahesh Kumar, Saundarya, Vishal, Mahesh Kumar, kindly leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Leave the
Okay.
meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Vishal, you can leave. Vishal. Okay, fine. Amrita.
Yes, ma'am.
Amrita and Chirag, Satyasri Mattu, you kindly update your photo. Vigneshwaran also. By next meeting, I'll see your photos in your profile picture.
Ma'am, I kept ma'am, but it's not appearing, ma'am.
Not updating. Okay. Anyway, you just leave the meeting. After that, you just try it out. By Monday, I'll meet you, Amrita. Okay. Amrita. Yes. Chirag, Satyasri, Vigneshwaran also.
Ma'am, it's not getting uploaded, ma'am.
Okay, fine. This is a message to you. That's it. We can meet you by Monday morning. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
You
Thank you.
can leave. You can leave. Okay, Morgan. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thanks. Karthik sir.